People use the words article and section interchangeably, but this is not correct. These are two different words referring to two different provisions, and we cannot use them interchangeably. But there is a lot of confusion around this because the main thing is that the people in the media constantly use these words interchangeably. Let's show you an example.
It's been 4 years since that big victory for the gay rights movement. That's when the government scrapped Article 377. You remember that? Finally legalizing homosexuality.
You see how he says Article 377, where he's actually referring to Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. Now let's see another clip from OTT show called Made in Heaven.
Yeah. Please do something.
You're lucky they haven't filed an FIR as yet. It's very tough to get bail on Article 377.
You see here again, they're saying Article 377 when they're actually referring to Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. So, what is the difference between an article and a section? To understand this, we will have to refer to two different legal documents. One, the Constitution of India, and two, the Indian Penal Code, which is a law. Now look at the index of the Indian Constitution. You can notice that articles are written here. And when you look at another law, which is called the Indian Penal Code, you can see that sections are written here. In the Constitution, all the legal provisions are numbered, and these legal provisions are called articles. So whenever you refer to the Constitution of India, you have to refer to Articles 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, Article 14 refers to equality before law. Article 21 is right to life and personal liberty, and so on. There are a total of 395 articles in the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the fundamental law of our land. It is from this fundamental law that all other laws are derived. For example, Right to Information Act, Information Technology Act, Domestic Violence Act, and many others, including the Indian Penal Code. Now, the legal provisions in each of these acts are called sections. Now, let's come back to Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. When you see this, you see that it starts from Section 1, 2 again, up to Section 377, which we are just talking about, which refers to unnatural offences. All acts will have a similar kind of numbering of the legal provisions, which are called sections. So now we know that articles are legal provisions from the Constitution and sections are legal provisions in an act. Why is it important to know this? It's important because if we want to exercise our rights under our Constitution, we must know what to refer to. And if the law is not being implemented properly, you have a grievance. You should be able to refer to that section of that particular law. Now, if you want to know more about Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, please look at one of our other videos on our channel, which is related to decriminalization of homosexuality. We hope that you will be able to use articles and sections more effectively in the future. If you found this video useful and you want more such videos, please do comment and also subscribe to our channel. We the People, Abhiyan.